Creating a time budget. So today we're going to be using Excel to create a time budget. I'm actually just going to use the example we used last week in our lab, the Sorrel Filly. So we're going to create a table based off of the ethogram we created. We're going to have 3 columns, one labeled behavior, minutes, and percent. So behavior, here I'm going to list each of the behaviors that were examined during the observation last week. And then the second column is going to be minutes, and to calculate the minutes, we take the amount of times in the ethogram. So say the Sorrel Filly spent, or we saw the affiliative behavior performed 4 times. We're going to multiply that by 30 seconds to get the amount of time total spent during the 10 minutes of the Sorrel Filly performing that behavior. So here we do a little math. We're going to do affiliative behavior, 2 minutes, which is 120 seconds. We're going to divide that by 600 seconds because that's 10 minutes converted to seconds. And then that comes out to 2/10. We're going to multiply that by 100 to get 20% of the time spent being affiliative. And then we're going to go down the line for each behavior. So for playing, there was 5%. For being alert, it was 15%. For moving or locomotion, it was 5%. For eating, it was 35%. So the Sorrel Filly spent most of the time eating. According to our 10-minute observation window, it spent 5 minutes or 5% grazing. And then drinking water, it was another 10%, and the last 5% was the Sorrel Filly was laying down. So here we have a complete time budget, and now we're going to make a chart. So we're going to make a pie chart. We're going to update the title, give it a little descriptive title, time budget for Sorrel Filly over a 10-minute observation window. Nice. And then, yeah, so here we can see the percentages displayed very nicely in different colors. Here we have 15%. Yep. Okay. Awesome.